Hi, have you ever tried using a blackhead vacuum extractor to remove the pesky blackheads from your face? It's a great tool to keep your pores clean, but if you don't take the right precautions, it can do more harm than good. To get the best results, here are 6 precautions you should take when using a blackhead vacuum extractor. First, avoid using the highest suction setting. It might seem tempting to go all out, but trust me, you don't want to damage your skin. Second, don't use it for too long in one area. Instead, move the extractor around and use it for short periods in each area. Third, never use it on sensitive or broken skin. The vacuum suction can cause damage and irritation to skin that's already sensitive or broken. Fourth, don't use it too often. Overusing the blackhead vacuum extractor can lead to skin irritation, dryness, and even make your skin more prone to breakouts. Fifth, remember to sanitize the tool after each use. A dirty tool can harbor bacteria and germs, which can lead to breakouts or infections. And lastly, don't use it as a substitute for professional facials. A professional facial can not only remove blackheads but also address other skin concerns and identify any underlying issues. By following these precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of a blackhead vacuum extractor without damaging your skin. Remember, your skin deserves the best care possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.